Eric, my friend, 5.5% fall on the markets this week as we close out Friday here at 1091.50 on the SPOOs. What a great week. It was a shortened week. I told our members coming in we were looking to get short up to that 1152 area. We never got back there again. We came in Wednesday short the 1133.4 area. Took a big dip down, sold it back on Thursday morning as we rallied again back to the 1139 area. Covered a big chunk of it yesterday, 1112. This morning we get long at 1100, ride it up to 1110, make money on the long side. Then when the market breaks again this afternoon, we actually started buying a little bit, probably a little bit too early, took a little bit of a loss, tried to reverse, scratched that trade at the end of the day. At the end of the week, let me tell you, this is one of the best trading weeks I've seen in probably the last 3 or 4 months. 45, 50 points on the ES taken out of the week for our members. We were short Deckers from the last 2 weeks. We shorted it a week ago Friday at 109 and change. We covered it today at 100s. We've still long some puts on that name. We've been short Priceline. We've been short RTH, the retail holders. We said come in after Christmas, get short this, and this should come down. These have come down nicely. VIX, we scaled into a VIX position, probably my biggest position I had in my books. And we had a VIX position when we were buying down to the 16s. We said, when you see the sweet 16s, and we saw that 2 weeks ago on the VIX on a spike, that'll probably be the bottom on the VIX for the time being for the year. And we hit that hard, and today, Eric, we closed the VIX up in the high 27s, almost 28, and the VIX is now up, again, $10 or almost 80%. 65, 70, 75, 60 to 80%, just doing the math in my head here, but about $10, 10 points from 16s up to almost 28 today, almost $12. Russell, we got long the Russell intraday for about 3 points on the long side. Again, a lot going on today. My book, I'm looking here at my journal of trades, a lot of things going on. Wow, terror alert raised in Europe, raised in Great Britain at the close of the markets. Geithner or Bernanke, one of those two guys is going to be fired here next week. We got the FOMC.
Not Bernanke, baby.
One of these guys is going. My money's on Geithner. I said it all day today. I was tweeting it out. So
Bernanke's a lock.
We had a lot of new members join us this week, and I must say and must tell them that this is a atypical week in volatility that we have seen in a long time. So don't expect this type of trading action out of me that you saw this week, week in, week out. I'm not hyperactive, only hyperactive when the conditions allow themselves. So it was a great week, and we took advantage of it. And this is why we sit patiently and wait for the right opportunities, Eric, to make money. And that's what we do here week in, week out.
As we discussed, and you put a poll up on your website, we're going to look into the future. We've been getting a lot of requests of live one-on-one mentorship. You obviously live in a geographic location that is brutal to fly to. So
tough to fly to, but a great place to come visit, and that's why.
No doubt. But in terms of,
interestingly enough, in our poll, we've got our offices where you are, Baltimore, Eric, and we put up Bend where we would do this, and then we put up other places. Or do you want us to come to your office? And it actually skews out nicely. Most of the people do want to come to Bend, so that's in my favor.
But they, unlike me, they didn't fly to Bend. So.
Yeah, but it's a lot easier than when you came in 07. We've got about 12 airports we fly directly to now. So it's not that tough to get here. It's a day here, day out.
So anyway,
no doubt about it. We're going to be doing some webinars. We're going to do some week-long webinars for those that...
Live trading in our office, probably in Baltimore, just for the New York crowd, in and out BWI Airport. If you guys are interested, you email Matt, mistrade@gmail.com. We're going to be doing it probably after March. We're going to give everybody 2 to 3 months an opportunity to pick a week that we can get guys that want to sit on the shoulders of you, watch you trade your account live, not on a quick rich quick indicator nonsense, blah, blah, blah. Just watch you trade and learn what it takes to be a successful trader in a 5-day Monday to Friday period.
Yeah.
It's a job. We realize some people won't be able to do the 5 days. Some people will be able to do the 5 days. If you're interested, email him. We'll get more information to you. We'll make a list just for that when it comes out and we'll get it out to you.
Yeah, again, just send us your email. Drop us your phone number and email so we can follow up with you. We're not positive on dates, but we're probably going to try to do these maybe initially twice a year, maybe 3 times a year if we're lucky. And again, the nice thing about it is I can trade anywhere now. It's not hard to move my system. Eric and I have multiple
the same system.
We have multiple monitors in Baltimore, and we can trade from wherever we like. So that's not a problem. We can go East Coast, we can go West Coast here in Bend. The nice thing about Bend is, again, we've got beautiful all-season activities here when we're not trading. So whereas Baltimore, we're going to go down to the wire and buy some crack, which is not my favorite thing to do. So, anyways, have a great weekend, and we'll talk to you here on the other side.
Wait.
What? Call Eric 888-201-4201. And who do we have today? I don't know who the lines are. I'm going to give you the winners to the games on Sunday. I'm going to go the Colts and Vikings.
You can get them at dimeclub.net, baby. All right, you guys have a great weekend.
888-201-4201. Call Eric. See ya.